Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Locket Widget app on your iPhone or Android. First, open the Locket app and create an account if you haven't already. Super quick. Just follow the prompts and tap continue once you're done. Now, it's time to add your friends. Locket gives you a unique profile link that you can share. Choose your favorite app to send it. In my case, I'm using WhatsApp. After sharing, head back to the Locket app and tap continue. Here comes the fun part, adding Locket as a widget to your home screen. On iPhone, just long press your screen, tap the last icon, search for Locket and add it. Android, same idea. Long press and go to widgets and drag Locket to your screen. Once set up, you can snap quick selfies or photos and send them instantly to your friends. That's it, super simple and quick. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.